to the page. Miss Quana Rage. Well, you know we finna chill and we finna hang. Pretty nails.
Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Quana Rage. I'm feeling the judgment already through this, recording, but don't judge me. We're in quarantine and we all get a little lazy during quarantine. Hey, it happens. But we're going to do this posting video. I'm about to go ahead and let you guys know that, yes, it was issues. In my last video of the build, if you notice the white boot light on my motherboard, it was because I didn't have the plug in the SATA, SATA. So, yes, I had to flip my SATA device storage and then hook it up with the power. So other than that, I didn't have any other major issues. It booted up fine. Only thing was, every time that I installed the Windows key code, it kept taking me back to BIOS, like on the upload screen. So other than that, that's all I did. I am currently using this brand that I don't want to attempt. I looked at one of the top 5 keyboards under 50 or something like that on someone's video, and this came with the mouse and the keyboard. So yeah, so that's why I'm using this one just to start off with. So we're going to go on and get this posting updated on here. So far, all I've done was boot up, look at the BIOS, and install the Windows code. That's it. So we're using JayzTwoCents video on the guide what to do after building your computer. So we're at the part now where once we enter the key code, then we're finna start uploading programs, I guess. I don't know. So let's see what Jay wants us to do.
So now we're at the Windows desktop. For the very first time, you can see our audio driver. It's like, believe it or not, SATA is hot swappable.
Right.
I'm gonna just plug that SATA back in with Windows running, and it may or may not automatically detect.
Mine's already plugged back in.
Is not showing up. And this is the
oh, y'all don't pay attention to my hair, We all in quarantine. Can't get a haircut and it's wet. I just washed it, so
click on this guy.
Forgive me, it's conditioner.
And it detected our drive now. See, this is the part that makes
Oh,
it
I missed it talking to you guys.
Microsoft is that we are going to go ahead and connect this guy to the internet.
Oh, we're gonna put it in the internet.
This is the part where the gauntlet starts.
1 second. We're back. Don't judge me. My nail broke. Quarantine. Oh well. This is a lot. Oh, y'all probably can barely see it.
If you need a certain version of Windows, any certain driver version
this is awful.
that you can't get unless you're on the right.
I just force restarted it because I didn't restart it. It just stuck on pending and keep saying retrying. So I force restarted mine. Hopefully I didn't mess anything up because I really don't want to keep going through this process of building or repairing. Like, oh, that was some work trying to figure that out, but it was nice. So we'll be back when this is finished. And we're back. We have everything updated on here. It didn't take that long. I would say about 30 minutes to do everything fully with the restarts and whatnot. So that part is done. Now let's see what Jay talking about. What should we be doing now?
Look here, we're on version 432.00. But if we go to NVIDIA's website,
oh, how did we get way to NVIDIA? So he didn't tell me how he got to that part, but I guess we're gonna go to the NVIDIA website. So they say we have version 445.87, release 2020, 4/15/2020, operating system. Okay, so I'm assuming this is the one I should have because I guess we're just going to download it because I don't know if I have it on here or not, but it was just released, so I doubt it. This looks so ugly trying to record. This is an awkward position. You could barely see what's on my screen. Like, I'm trying. But I just want to prove that, yes, I built it. And yes, it posted. It worked. And, you know, hey, it was fun. Oh, I think he said we don't get this. Let me see.
So we'll go ahead and download the latest driver as well. We'll download this, save it, and we'll install that ourselves after everything else is done. So now that it's kind of finished.
Oh, good. This is how it returns currently settings. Okay, I guess, because I have no settings. I haven't done anything. Minecraft. Whoa. I might try that game on here. Y'all look out for that. I've never played it, so I haven't played it on the Xbox, nothing. So I might just try it. Come on with the ads. Come on with the ads. Hey. Okay. And everything is installed for the NVIDIA graphics driver. I'm out of order with Jay because Jay has other things that he had to do prior to me finishing mine. So we're a little ahead of Jay. So let's see where we're at now, though. Woo. And we have returned once again. Oh, this is some work.
Sometimes it won't. All right, now you want to get the most speed out of your NVIDIA graphics card?
Yes, I do.
Click on Manage 3D Settings.
Wait a minute. Manage 3D settings. He don't never have to tell you how he got in there. At least I don't know how he got in there. Okay, now I found it.
Reboot right into the UEFI BIOS.
Wait. He went too fast for me. Oh, he went way too fast. He said shift restart. Let's hope that was how he did it, because I didn't see. Oh, I guess it was how he did it.
Go to the BIOS.
UEFI. What? Nah, bro, mine don't say that. Wait a minute. Mine don't have that. Okay, we're in the BIOS, Jay.
You can see our...
We didn't get a beep this time. We don't have a white boot light. Yeah, my tower is not on the floor. It's on a stand, actually, because, you know, I have a floating desk on the wall. So Yeah, it's not on the floor, but y'all will see that at the end. Okay, what else, Jay?
Your motherboard is go to the manufacturer website for your motherboard and download the latest drivers for all of the feature sets.
Okay, wait a minute. Let me get my password in.
The chipset drivers, the Ethernet driver, there's a sound card, the sound card driver, and if you...
We're finishing up.
Kind of a longer video, but sort of a little bit of a hand-holding showing you how to go from a...
Oh, well, JayzTwoCents walked us through this. We're done. Well, we're done with Jay. We have to go and get us some steam, you guys. Like, really. Oh. I don't know. What should be my first game to play on PC? What do y'all suggest? I was thinking more of Dead by Daylight. I don't know. Don't get me into nothing that's like too hardcore or too try hard. Like, don't tell me Overwatch. I don't even play Overwatch on the consoles. I mean, I play, but not play as enjoyment. I play with my family when they play sometimes, but and that's very rarely. So, but yeah, what do y'all suggest playing first on Steam? Okay. Lady Rage. There may not be no Lady Rage on Steam. Oh, it's available. Well, we have Steam. Somebody did have Lady Rage, which is fine with me. Whatever. But we have Lady Rage still. We have just Miss Lady Rage, which is my, I guess, sub name or whatever on my Xbox is Miss Lady Rage, but my gamer tag come up Lady Rage on either or, so it doesn't matter to me. Okay, we on Steam, baby. I don't know nobody, but there we have it. We on Steam. Hey, okay, so where do we go from here? Like I said, suggest me a game. Let me know what should be the first game that I play. Sorry about that ring light in these glasses. This has been a very awkward record. Like, from the bike and this ring light to... we just gonna get through it. We just gonna blame it all on quarantine. That's all we're gonna do. Quarantine did it. Okay, so suggest a game. I'm trying to get back on schedule. You know, I do have videos recorded. A lot of them are hauls and whatnot. I'm trying to get my gameplay stuff finished. I have been recording some, but not a lot. So we'll see about getting the gameplay up. I have been working on my Funko Pop Pez display. I don't have a update for that yet, but I have been working on it and learning new techniques and tricks. So that's what's been taking up a little bit of my time also. But other than that, it's a wrap for this video. It's not going to be a long video. It's going to be chopped up because you couldn't really see the screen. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment, like, share, whatever you want to do. And I'll talk to you later. Peace.